So you only need 60% to pass the Florida Civic Literacy exam. So if you focus on what the exam tests on, you will definitely pass. Now there are questions you will see on their test that are pretty general, which I did make a little video on. There are also landmark cases that you need to know, and you need to know what happened to make that case a landmark case. Because if America made a law out of it, that means it's a landmark case. You also need to know the amendments and what each amendment is for. Then you need to put it together with the cases and amendments. And if somebody shows you a case, you need to know the amendment. If somebody shows you amendment, you need to know the case. That's how well you need to know this stuff. And you need to put the work in. You definitely want to get a blank piece of paper like this and then write in what each case meant. When you write it in, you just retain information a lot better. And this was me testing myself, and as you can see, I didn't know a lot of these cases when I thought I did. So you definitely want to self-test on your own. If you don't have anybody, it's okay, test yourself. Just sit there with this paper, write in what the case means as well as the amendment. If you can do that, that's a heavy chunk of this test. But a lot of people, maybe they don't know, I'm not sure, but you know, it's heavy on the cases and amendments. It's not that hard to decipher. If you've already taken a, I guess, government class, try to take this test right after so it will stick in your brain. But as you can see, I did put highlights, you know, anything I could to remember some of this stuff because I'm not a history buff. But hopefully this has helped for your first lesson as we get into the course, because I just really want you to pass, and I'm just showing you exactly what I had to do to pass the first time. And if you have a roadmap, you can pass it way easier. It took me months because I was also working. But, you know, get some flashcards, use some paper, and, you know, get a highlighter so you can, you know, kind of tap in and really just knock this stuff out.